Welcome back, this is the part 2 of my Batu Ferringhi adventure. And this time I'm at Entopia.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new like.
Within Entopia, you'll see two worlds. The first one is the Natureland Living Outdoor Gardens and the Cocoon Indoor Discovery Center, where you'll see 150 species of fauna and more than 200 species of flora, which are being showcased in this indoor exhibition. Insects, scorpions are among the few that I could remember that are very scary. This place looks like a haven for macro photographers, but sadly, I haven't brought my camera and my macro lens with me, so I couldn't take any photos of those insects.
Sun in my eye, girl in my ride, head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try. The truth's never lie, like wings we can fly, with you by my side.
Discover and experience the myths and legends of butterflies from different cultures. Let your imagination run wild in this magical fantasy world. Enjoy!
And then, you'll be brought to this indoor futuristic setup, showing more of a scientific approach of how to see these insects evolve in their own ecosystem. And this is actually good for students and those who are very interested in insects.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me.
This looks very familiar. I think I've seen this from a movie or something.
You are like me. And I am like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready.
And that's all for my weekend trip. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.